The impact of pesticides on gut health. The widespread use of pesticides in agriculture has raised concerns about their impact on human health. These chemicals can enter non-target organisms, including humans, and disrupt the delicate balance of gut flora. Recent studies have shown that pesticide exposure can alter the composition and function of gut microbiota, leading to changes in metabolic homeostasis and potentially contributing to various diseases. The gut microbiome. A complex ecosystem. The human gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem consisting of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. The gut microbiota plays a vital role in maintaining host health by regulating metabolism, immune function, and neurological processes. The gut microbiome produces various metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids, bioacids, and other organic compounds, which are essential for energy, metabolism, immune modulation, and gut barrier integrity. The effects of pesticides on gut microbiota. Pesticides, particularly insecticides, have been linked to adverse effects on human health and the environment. Recent studies have shown that these chemicals can alter the gut microbiota, leading to dysbiosis and various health problems, including metabolic and endocrine disorders, immune system dysregulation, and inflammation. Organophosphate pesticides, such as chlorpyrifos and diazinon, are widely used in agriculture and have been detected in human plasma samples. Exposure to these chemicals has been linked to changes in gut microbiota composition, glucose intolerance, and insulin resistance. The impact of fungicides on gut health. Fungicides are widely used to protect crops from fungal infections, but their residues can contaminate food, water, and soil, posing a risk to human health. Recent studies have shown that fungicides can alter the gut microbiota, leading to dysbiosis and various health problems. Several fungicides, including carbendazim, imazolo, propamocarb, and epoxiconazole, have been linked to changes in gut microbiota composition and function. These changes can lead to metabolic disorders, inflammation, and impaired intestinal barrier function. The impact of herbicides on gut health. Herbicides, commonly used to control weeds, can have unintended consequences on human health and the environment. Residues of these chemicals can be found on food grains, fruits, and vegetables, and exposure can occur through drinking water, air, and soil. Glyphosate, a widely used herbicide, has been linked to changes in gut microbiota composition and function in various animal models. Studies have shown that glyphosate exposure can lead to a decrease in beneficial bacteria and an increase in potentially pathogenic bacteria. Key findings and future directions. The evidence suggests that pesticides, including insecticides, fungicides, and herbicides, can have detrimental effects on gut microbiota and host health. Further research is needed to understand the mechanisms by which pesticides affect the gut microbiota and to assess the health risks associated with exposure to these chemicals. Key areas of focus include investigating the long-term effects of pesticide exposure on the human gut microbiome, unraveling the mechanisms behind altered microbiome composition and functionality, exploring the interactions between the gut microbiota and the immune system in response to pesticide exposure, developing effective interventions, such as biopesticides, probiotics, or prebiotics, to mitigate the adverse effects of pesticides on human health. The relationship between pesticides and the gut microbiota is complex, and recognizing the unintended consequences of pesticide use is crucial for shaping sustainable agricultural practices that balance environmental health and human well-being.